Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm just going to do a quick video today. Like I said, I'm all about the maintenance and just upgrading small things at the moment. And one of those things is the license plate rear globe. Mine was really bugging me, especially after the night I saw Daniel taking photos, and I just kind of had a bit of a look at it. Before I start with that, I just want to know from you guys, am I doing anything wrong? Could the channel be better? And if so, what is it going to be better? Because I've just been hemorrhaging subscribers lately, and it's I don't know, it's starting to play on my mind a little bit. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe you're not enjoying the content. I don't know. So I just want some advice from you guys. But let's get into the video now. So basically, this is a picture I took of the car, and you can see the license plate is a little bit illuminated. It's got like an LED globe in there at the moment, but it's pretty dull and dark, and it was bothering me. So I'm at the garage now, looking at the car. I've got the light on the phone at the moment, and I'm going to turn it off in a second because I want you to see exactly how dark this license plate is. So you can see it there. I've turned the light off. It's not that bright, and it kind of bothers me. I don't know why it bothers me. It just does, and I feel like it should be crisp and white or blue or something like that. Just it should look a bit different. This job is not terribly too difficult. It can be a little bit fiddly, but it's relatively simple to do. And I've got a bit of a step-by-step for you guys anyway on how to do it. So this is the globe we're going to be putting in. It's tiny, but it's a really good quality one. This is, I guess you'd call it a China special anyway, but it's a really well-made piece of kit. I had one left over. These are the same ones that Adam put in his car, my brother-in-law with the Nissan NX. Now you can see the license plate looks a bit more illuminated now, and that's because I've got the garage sensor light on behind me. But yeah, so we'll get into obviously removing this. Now it's fairly simple. It's just basically, as I said, I'll run through obviously how to do it. That part there is the part you need to remove. Now, easiest way of doing it is to squeeze this tab here and pull to the left. Now, when you pull to the left, naturally it'll pull down and the whole unit comes out. This is what you're going to be left with when the unit comes out. And you can see my light is blue. I'm trying to do this one-handed. It didn't work. I ended up having to get the tripod to put the camera on, or the phone on anyway. So that's basically it there. So you turn it clockwise or counterclockwise, sorry, and the whole thing comes out. Now, I thought this was going to be ultra bright because it does have like 5 globes on it. Just not the case. More globes don't make it brighter. Simple as that. I guess it's the quality and the luminous power that it's got in order for it to work. This globe here slotted in relatively easy, but you can see straight off the bat there how much brighter it is, and it's got that crisp white light. Now, to put it back in is relatively simple. It's just the exact opposite of what originally did in order to take it out. So it's not difficult to do. Now, something like this, although it's fairly basic and fairly, I guess, easy to do, can probably make a huge difference to how you view your car and obviously what it looks like at the rear. So we'll do a bit of before and after now. This is the before. You can see it's still quite dull there. This is the after. Very bright, very luminous. I actually really like it. So just a bit of food for thought there, guys. Something really simple and quick today. As I said, this is simple stuff that you guys can do at home by yourself. You don't need any knowledge whatsoever. And if you like this kind of content, let me know and I'll keep making it. As always, take care, and I'll catch you on the next one.